Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to show you this raised garden bed or garden box that we ordered from our home and garden show. So it was delivered on Friday, and my husband graded the dirt area here. We had gravel, so he graded that so that it would be steady. It's made out of redwood, as you can see here, nice and deep. It slopes down there. It also came with this liner, so we're going to fill it with the dirt. And it's made here locally where I live, in the town where I live. It's actually an organization that hires folks that have disabilities, so they make this. It's really nice. It comes in two different sizes, so I bought the larger size. I want to plant, I have beet seeds and carrots and radishes, and I would also like to maybe put some other maybe tomatoes or other vegetables in here as well. And it's nice, this is by our kitchen window, so I get to see that also. So again, here on all four sides, it's nicely constructed. And I think for today we're going to put in the dirt. We're also, maybe I'll start putting in some flower seeds, at least for today. Got some bags of dirt here and on the other side as well. So if you have any questions, just let me know. But looking forward to growing some plantings in here. Take care, everybody. Bye.